Hi, I'm Ian, and today we're going to clean a bathtub. Now, cleaning a bathtub is pretty simple, but if you do it right just once a week, it's going to save you about 2 hours of scrubbing every 2 weeks. I'll show you how. For this project, we'll need a non-abrasive bathroom cleaner, a soft bristle brush, and some rubber gloves. Now, you're going to make sure to select your cleaning product based on the type of tub you have. If you have an enamel bathtub, you're going to use an abrasive or a heavy-duty cleaner. If you have a fiberglass bathtub, make sure you get a fiberglass specific cleaner so you don't damage it. In this case, we're cleaning an acrylic bathtub. So non-abrasive bathroom cleaner is exactly what we need. So you want to make sure you spray the tub all over and let the cleaner do its work. Grab our soft bristle brush and just work it around. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to scratch the tub. You're going to pay special attention to the corners and areas around your faucets. That's where the grime is most likely to build up. Now normally you just turn the shower on to rinse off all the cleaner, but since I'm in here and I'm in my clothes, I'm just going to use a bucket. So that's how you clean a bathtub. Now remember, clean it often and don't mix your cleaners.